Let's see how to add Favicon in Hostinger website builder. So first of all, we need to log into our Hostinger Edge panel. Now from the left menu, click on websites. Edit the Hostinger website where you want to add a Favicon. Now from the left menu, click on this three dots button and then click on general settings. Here you will see the Favicon option, just click on it. So we are going to click on add image. I have already created the Favicon, so I am going to upload it from my computer. So click on upload files. So I will select my Favicon image and then click on open. Now select the image. And as you can see that our Favicon image is now added. So click on save changes and we are done. If you don't know how to create Favicon for your website, just go to this website favicon.io. If you have a logo image, then you can convert it to icon. If you have a text, then you can also convert it to icon. Let's say you have a text, just select text from here. Add the letter here. I will select A and here you will see the previews. You can easily download it from here and add to your website. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.